Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best dynamic microphones. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Mauno PD200X. Specifications: brand name, Mauno. Diaphragm, S-Mall. Polar patterns, Cardioid. Communication, wired. Set type, single microphone. Transducer, dynamic microphone. Use, home studio. Style, hanging microphones. Certification, CE. Number 4 on our list is Mauno PD100X. Specifications: brand name, Mauno. Model, PD100X. Diaphragm, S-Mall. Polar patterns, unidirectional. Communication, wired. Set type, single microphone. Transducer, dynamic microphone. Use, gaming, streaming, podcasting, recording. Style, gaming microphone. Connector, USB-C and XLR. Frequency response, 40 Hz to 16 kHz. Number 3 on our list is Fifine All-in-One Podcast Kit. Specifications: brand name, Fifine. Polar patterns, Cardioid. Communication, wired. Set type, multi-microphone kits. Transducer, dynamic microphone. Use, home studio. Style, tabletop. Certification, CE, FCC, KC. Number 2 on our list is SM7B Professional Dynamic Cardioid Microphone. Specifications: brand name, G-Mark. Model, SM7B. Diaphragm, S-Mall. Polar patterns, unidirectional. Communication, wireless. Set type, single microphone. Transducer, dynamic microphone. Use, stage performance wireless microphone. Style, hanging microphones. Connector type, XLR. Material type, metal. Number 1 on our list is Fifine Dynamic Microphone. Specifications: brand name, Fifine. Diaphragm, S-Mall. Polar patterns, Cardioid. Package, yes. Set type, single microphone. Transducer, dynamic microphone. Use, home studio. Style, tabletop.